Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel an alarm on the Nokia 105. You can see that you have alarm set if you see this little symbol here. So this means you have an alarm set. You can press this button here to go straight to the alarm. And you can see set alarms. You want to go to that. And here, this top one here has an alarm set. You can see it's going off. To stop it, you press the middle button to stop. However, as this alarm is currently set to go off every day, if you want to turn it off and cancel it, you can press the middle button on the alarm and you can come down and say select off. Now that alarm will not go off. If your alarm isn't here on the hotkey, you can press the middle button and come up to the clock and go to set alarms, and that is the same place as using the hotkey, and you can come in and set the alarm or cancel the alarm if the alarm is set. So that is how to cancel an alarm on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this quick playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.